Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the BMW M3 GTR in Forza Legends. To begin your authentic M3 GTR build, you must first select the correct base vehicle. The in-game M4 model is the only suitable option, as it provides the closest visual and structural foundation for your project. This choice is critical for achieving the iconic wide-body look and aggressive stance of the legendary M3 GTR. Without this specific car, replicating the GTR's unique aesthetic is simply not possible. Next, focus on the visual transformation by applying the essential body kit. There is a dedicated wide-body kit available for the M4 that perfectly mimics the M3 GTR's aggressive lines and flared fenders. This kit is crucial for achieving the unmistakable silhouette. Don't forget to select the iconic silver and blue racing livery, which is instantly recognizable and completes the visual authenticity of your build. These aesthetic choices are paramount for a true GTR replica. Now let's talk about the heart of your M3 GTR, the engine. For the most authentic performance, you must perform an engine swap to either the LS7 or 2JZ engine, as these provide the necessary power and sound. After the swap, fine-tune your suspension settings for a low, aggressive racing stance, mimicking the real GTR. Adjusting the gear ratios is also vital for achieving optimal acceleration and a high top speed, ensuring your replica performs as powerfully as it looks. Finally, complete your M3 GTR build with some crucial final touches and driving setup. Install lightweight racing wheels and high-grip tires to maximize traction and handling. Calibrate your brake balance and steering angle, typically around 60 degrees, to suit your preferred drifting style. Remember, the only way to truly experience the M3 GTR is through meticulous testing and refinement of all your settings on the track. This ensures your custom build delivers an unparalleled driving experience in Forza Legends.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.